Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your essential oil business with Young Living, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale your essential oil business with Young Living, start by solidifying your foundation. Ensure you have a thorough understanding of the Young Living product line. Familiarize yourself with the benefits and applications of each essential oil. Develop a personal story that connects you to the brand. This authentic narrative will resonate with potential customers. Create a professional and visually appealing brand identity. Use consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all platforms. Leverage social media to reach a wider audience. Create accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Post engaging content, such as tutorials and testimonials. Join online communities related to essential oils and wellness. Participate in discussions to establish yourself as an expert. Offer free workshops or webinars on using essential oils. These events can attract potential customers and generate interest. Optimize your website for user experience and SEO. Ensure easy navigation and highlight key products and offers. Utilize email marketing to keep your audience engaged. Send out newsletters featuring tips, promotions, and new products. Collaborate with influencers in the wellness space. This can broaden your reach and introduce new customers to your brand. Host local events or pop-up shops to showcase your products. Face-to-face interactions can strengthen customer relationships. Implement customer loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Offer incentives for referrals to expand your customer base. Track your progress frequently using sales metrics and analytics. Adjust your strategies based on what works and what doesn't. Stay updated on the latest trends in the essential oil market. Continue to educate yourself about new products and techniques. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.